All right, let me demonstrate how to do a couple of the problems from today's assignment. So we're looking at hydrates. Now this is related to finding the formulas, which we already did. We're going to find the ratio not of the elements in the compound, we're going to find the ratio of moles of water to moles of the dry or anhydrous salt. So we're going to need a couple of things. We're going to need to know the mass of the dry salt, the mass of water. We're going to need to know the molar mass of the dry salt and the molar mass of water. So let's start by, getting the masses. So it gives us, problem 1 gives us that the mass of dry magnesium sulfate, MgSO4, equals 6.60 grams. So the mass of water is going to equal the initial mass of the hydrated salt minus the part of that mass which is magnesium sulfate. So that's going to be 13.52 grams minus 6.60 grams. And I will figure that out when I get my calculator out. Let's first set up to calculate molar mass. The molar mass of water you can calculate this once and use it in all of the problems. So we have, in case you don't remember, the molar mass of oxygen is 16.00 grams. The molar mass of hydrogen is 1.008. The formula is H2O, so it's 2 times 1.008 grams plus 16.00 grams. And that's going to be 18.016 grams. Usually we say 18.02 grams. All right, molar mass of magnesium sulfate. We have 1 magnesium, 1 sulfur, and 4 oxygens. So the molar mass of magnesium is 24.31. The molar mass of sulfur is 32.07. So we have 24.31 plus 32.07 plus 4 times 16.00. All right. Have come on. Okay, I get 120.38 grams. And while I've got the calculator out, 13.52, 6.6, subtract 6.92 grams of water. Okay, so we have molar masses. We have masses of both things and molar masses of both things, so we can convert to moles very easily. So moles of dry MgSO4 is going to equal our mass divided, or we're going to use a conversion factor, right? Our mass, 6.60 grams times, and I think you've seen it enough times to say, no, we're going to go 1 mole divided by the molar mass. 1 mole of magnesium sulfate is 120.38 grams magnesium sulfate, and so 6.60, 120.38. So I get 0.0548 moles. And yes, I'm being careless. I should carry an extra digit there, and I'm not. Okay, moles of H2O is going to be the mass of H2O, 6.92 grams. And we're going to multiply that by 1 mole over 18.02 grams. And that's going to give us 0.038, sorry, just 0.384 mole. This is H2O, this is MgSO4. Now we want the ratio. So moles H2O over moles magnesium sulfate equals 0.384 divided by 0.0548, and that comes out to 7.00 and some other stuff, which is pretty clearly 7. So our formula must be, excuse me, our formula must be MgSO4, and we put a dot in our coordination number that we found, 7H2O. So that's the first one. I think I will make these separate videos so no one is too long and you can watch as many as you like.